Most people wear a belt. Some wear their belt to make a statement, but the majority of people wear their belt for function. That is, to hold their trousers from falling off their waist. The good news is, you can now make your own personal belt that will last a lifetime, even if your style changes. There are a few important tools and techniques required for making the perfect belt. A solid workbench is ideal. You can use a tape scale, but having your scale affixed to the edge of your workbench makes it fast and easy to mark your belts. Another important tip is to use a soft anvil when cutting or punching through the BioThane. A thick sheet of high-density polyethylene will do the trick. This will keep your hand tools sharp and can withstand the force necessary to cut through the BioThane. It's also good to strike down on an area supported by the bench legs. This way, all the force is absorbed properly and your cut will be clean. DIY leather cutting tools are available online. Quality matters here. If you plan to make even dozens or hundreds of punched belts, the highest quality punches and dies will last the longest and work the best. You can use any hammer, but a 2 or 3 pound soft face hammer like this one is best. There are 3 major benefits. 1. The larger hammer head makes it easy to strike. 2. The soft face will protect your tools. And 3. The heavy weight will cut through the BioThane with 1 or 2 blows. We are making a basic Chicago screw and loop type belt. We are using an 1.5 wide BioThane, a roller bar tongue buckle, and 2 1/4-inch Chicago screws. The height of your screw post will depend on the thickness of your BioThane. We'll use a plastic molded loop, and a little later we'll see how you can staple a BioThane loop. Start your belt by rough cutting a length of BioThane. You can use sharp scissors or a pneumatic guillotine razor cutter like this one for a clean edge. Center the slot die and punch it roughly 3 or 4 inches from an end cut. You can adjust the finish length later. Next, mark and punch 4 holes for your screws. The loop will fit in between the holes once the buckle is assembled. The 2 sets of holes on either side of the slot should be approximately 1.5 inches apart and 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch from the edge of the slot. Now, cut your radius end using an 1.5 inch radius die. Measure 4 inches and mark for the adjustment holes. These can be either 3/4 or 1 inch apart and centered on the BioThane. Punch all your adjustment holes and assemble the buckle and loop. Slide your loop on and wrap the slot end around the tongue and buckle. Secure the loop between the 2 Chicago screws. Your new belt is finished. Many people ask about sealing the holes and edges for a better looking product. Seal the edges and holes with a hot plate and a hot poker. Always seal with sufficient ventilation. This one is equipped with an exhaust fan and a vent. As promised, here's how you can make belt loops out of BioThane. Choose your width. Typically, it's 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch wide BioThane. Next, cut the BioThane. A 4 inch long piece is an ideal length to make a loop for an 1.5 inch wide belt. Make the cuts as straight as possible. Now connect the ends together with 2 staples. Let us know in the comments if you have any other tips or techniques. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. There's more DIY with BioThane videos coming soon.